Honestly, I really need to start doing like all my vlogs out here because the lighting is so good. What's up guys, it's Sammy here. I just got new hair and I didn't film the whole session, but I will be showing you how it was done. It looks so good. Barbie dream goals. Let me know if you guys like it. Comment below if you like this neon pink tip for this summer. And if you're in LA, you can go to the girls who did my hair and I'll link them right below. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I love it. I decided to do a little vlog on this because I just got it done, and we actually decided to do the vlog mid like doing my hair because I was like, this is gonna be so sick. My hairdresser, my hair colors, they were like, you should record this. So I actually went in, got my roots done first, got my hair cut, and then she did the tips. I don't show that process, but you can see how awesome they look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Maybe I'll do a different color. Maybe I'll just keep doing little tips. But I think it's so cute. So if you guys are in LA looking for someone to do this to your hair, you guys definitely go to Jess the Best Color. She's like amazing. She brought my hair from brown to platinum. If you need a really good haircut, go to my girl Clean Cuts. She does my hair so nice and sharp. She's like the best person I've ever worked with, so definitely check her out. Let me know what you guys think. Put 2 thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.